West Airport. Sightseeing guys from the airport. Yan, wala pang airplane na traffic. Airplane is coming. Traffic. You see that sign there? Is there? There. This one. You see that sign? There.
I should have went. We should have went. Is there more?
Look at the garage, guys. The airplane is going there after arriving. Look. It's moving. Maybe it's going to park and then they're gonna clean it. They're gonna check it. Maybe. That's far. I zoomed it. It's turning. It's turning. Yeah, I think they're gonna clean it and check. This is the bird. Bird singing. That's the airport, guys. It's coming out now, guys. Look. Tapos na nag-wash. Tapos na nag-CR. It's ready to fly again. This is a big one. Oh, it's a big one. It's Air Canada. That's my airplane. Oh, the other one is going fly. Where is it now? Oh, where is it now? I can see it. Oh, there. God bless everyone. Enjoy your vacation. This is the airport, guys. We're sightseeing at the airport area. Malayo ito, nakasum. Oh, Air Canada is going again there. What happened? That's the what is that? It's a wings. Look at that. Yeah, that's the airport. They're playing games, guys. Going back again to the storage. It's going back to the storage house. Look. They're playing toys. Sana all. Hinihila yung maliit, oh. Hinihila niya. Lakas, oh. Oh, hila niya oh. Ilalagay sa loob. We gotta follow guys, we gotta follow. We gotta follow. There airplane coming. Airplane coming. Small one. A small one coming guys. This cute one. Come on, there. Let's go. We're gonna catch it. We're gonna catch it. We're gonna catch it. There you go. Look at that. Oh my god, it's long. What is airplane this one? Woo, it's so long. Parang talong. Parang talong naman. Oh wow. Thanks God. Wow. Safety arrive. Arrive in safety. Look at this. Malayo yan, nakasong. Si tatay, may dala pizza oh, guys. Makikain tayo. Pwede makisharon din. May dala silang ano, kakain na sila dito. Pwede mag-sharon. Pwede mag-sharon, guys. Come on, hanggang gabi ng mga ito, guys. Naglo-look out dito sa airport. Sightseeing. Sightseeing, wala na parating. Umaya na traffic daw. It's traffic. In a few minutes. Laki oh. It's Air Canada. Yeah, Air Canada. May plug sa taas. Hello, Air Canada. Wow. Air Canada ulit. Ang dami Air Canada. Oras nilang dating ngayon ganito. Air Canada. Wow. God bless everyone. You arrive safely. United, what is this? Can't read it. I-zoom natin guys. Dumidilim na guys, wala na yung sunset. There you go. Ayan pong airport natin sa likod. Bye-bye po. I think this the last. Wala na parating na traffic. And that's it. Bye-bye for now. Air Canada ulit. Too much Air Canada. Parang dalag. Nasum ko masyado. Alright. Good night everyone. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. There's around here people is watching the airplane.